So this is pound yen analysis for Monday the 16th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So a brief gap down the market all the way below the 48.46. We quickly retook the 48.46 for a move beyond the 148.61. We've currently had a test of the 149.10, from which we've had a rejection. Had another test appear to be rejecting at the moment. So if we can break back above the 49.10, hold support at the 49.10, we're looking for a move up towards that 149.78. Successful break from which the very next level that we are looking at is a move up towards that 150.56. And if volatility allows in the coming days, possibly a move up towards this 151.25. Overall, we can see pretty clearly here that we've had a bit of an uptrend developing on the pound against the yen. Hence the reason why we did say possibly the 51.25 if this trend persists. If, however, we do continue to reject this 49.10, we're looking for a move back down towards this 148.61, successful break from which, of course, 148.46 will come into focus. And beyond that, to the downside of the very next level that we are looking at is a move down towards this 147.35. In around at 147.35, we do have that confluence of a 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce and seeing prices return to the upside here on the pound against the yen. Failing that, we'll be looking for a move down towards this 146.38 here on the pound against the yen. In around the 146.38, of course, we do have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce from that level. And we'll just have a look here at the higher time frames to see how prices are developing. So let's just have a look here at the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we do look rather weak here on the pound against the yen. So we were trending to the upside a bit, but we did see a break to the downside here on the pound yen. Trend to the upside wasn't particularly strong, and more recently we can see we've had a bit of a sell-off, brief pullback, bit of a sell-off. Now we're having another pullback. So we'll see whether we can clear our previous highs or whether we'll see another breakdown in prices here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the weekly chart to see how prices are developing. Again, on this weekly chart, we can see here we have our highs, lower highs. More recently, we've posted a series of higher lows, and over the past couple of weeks, we've had a degree of bullishness come into the market. Not a very strong bullishness, but a degree of bullishness nonetheless. So we'll see whether we do see that follow through towards the 150s here on the pound against the yen. And if we do see that follow through to the upside, the very next level of note is possibly this high more recently in around that 150. And if we can see price progression beyond the 150, we did mention that 151.25 being a key important level here on the pound against the yen. And finally, we'll wrap up on the daily chart. So on this daily chart here, we can see we formed our lows. We have lows. We have slightly higher lows, made new lower lows before putting this bullish engulfing candle, brief consolidation, bull flag, break to the upside, break above the 148, all the way up towards that 149.10, from which we have seen a bit of a pullback. But beyond the 149.10, we do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average on the daily chart, sitting slightly below the 149.78. So if we do navigate the 149.78, do have to be aware of the, as we navigate towards it, we do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average, which could act as a dynamic level of resistance. But beyond the 149.78, of course, we mentioned 150.56, 151.25, and beyond that, of course, we have the 152 and 152.85 here on the pound against the yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.